mayor of the city of Stonecrest. I'm here as an honorary mayor just to say hello to everyone, just to have a good time.
If you enjoying yourself at Rick Ross Car Show, make some noise in this bitch.
What's going on, Stunna? What up, man? She's beautiful in person, my brother.
Oh, thank you, bro.
What's going on, YouTube? It's car show day, baby. I'm packed and ready to go. I'm finna walk to my shuttle bus now. Get this content for y'all, baby. Let's get to it.
Yes, sir.
All this motivation out here, man. I'm finna go over here and head toward this copyright. I'm gonna grab some of this content for y'all still. See who I can see out here. Let's get it, baby. Third gen, baby. Clean third gen over here. Man, that boy Rail Too Real killed this little combination right here. That's pretty nasty. Really matching the C8. Killed the game with this rap. Say this back to Reese, man. What's good, baby?
What's going on, bro?
Nice to meet you, man.
Same.
What's up? See if I can put some in person, man.
Trying to see it? Go ahead, bro. Pick it up.
What's going on, Stunna?
What up, man?
She's beautiful in person, my brother.
Oh, thank you, bro. Thank you.
Love that whole combo, man.
Appreciate it, bro.
Yes, sir.
Something different.
Yes, sir. Got Stunna Reese out here, man.
Y'all know what it is, man. Y'all, hey, definitely do me a favor, man. Tap in with my dog, Eprofitdetroit, man.
Yes, sir.
You're doing big things for the culture out here, man. Showing y'all this content from the Rick Ross show. So y'all definitely need to do what y'all need to do,
It's all
man.
motivation, dog.
Yeah. Be like me, man. Support my dog, Eprofitdetroit. Let's go.
Yes, sir, man. I appreciate it.
Where you pick a ball paddle at, nigga? Talk that shit, nigga. Hey, fuck you, man. Ball paddle, pick
They ain't carrying on another line. Pickleball paddle policy. DJ English. Shout out to my boy Nick. Too hard, Ross. You know what the shit is.
What up, shooter?
Sugar EL Camino, man, at the north.
Pásame una call and dive y una pasta, Yo, shooter. Biggest. I got you. We got you. That new car, that box top. Yo, get up on that phone.
I'm finna eat from at least 15 different trucks.
Yo, boss.
That's why I'm up here running around now. I'm getting that appetite ready. Because I'm finna eat from 15 different trucks.
Know that.
Get a picture real quick with number one in the motherfucking world.
Yeah, I bought that.
It ain't just number one on the
I bought
west.
that.
It ain't just number one in the south. It ain't just number one in the east.
Yes, sir. Wow. We're on wide, baby. Yes, sir.
What's up? You already know what it is. Shit, you see it.
Yeah, it's all good.
Which was where we get the Saja.
Biggest. Biggest. The motherfucking biggest. The motherfucking biggest. I got a trembler. She nervous. She nervous.
Bullet show,
What's up,
Ross.
baby?
Hey, Rose, where we get those hats from?
What's up, baby?
Any one of those hats where I get them.
Shit, I don't know.
I
We
looked
gotta
at it.
find them,
Find it.
motherfucker.
out there watching. Right here, man, that's blacked out joint. This one's so fire. Woo! I love that, man. Make sure y'all stay tuned in with your boy, man. I got me a business plan, man, coming soon to the process. You feel me? Them boys, yeah, them 30s, them boys look ridiculous. Man.
Prime Time Zay, man. Y'all check me out on IG, man. Check me out on YouTube, man. You already know we got good car content going up from the Muskegon area, Grand Rapids, everything.
What's your right name, man?
Now listen, we in the C8 right now, but we got the C7 back at the crib too, getting a brand new motor put in. You know what I'm saying?
Show that bunch of love, man.
Y'all tap in. Look, I'm gonna bring up the YouTube. Yes, sir. Y'all tap in, man. Go subscribe to my bro channel, man. Y'all tap in with him.
Process, baby. He a real cat, man. Doing this shit on his own property like this, shaking hands. You know what I mean? That niggas make money and stuff. Can't beat that, man.
Everybody making money today.
Right.
Fire department, police department.
Everybody. Yup. Experience out here at the Rick Ross car
5-year anniversary in October.
When is it?
In October. We'll be 5 years married.
Okay. Congratulations, man.
17 together, but 5 years married officially.
What's up?
Yeah, I love it, man. Rick Ross, man. I think it was bigger last year, but it's
so?
I think it was bigger last year. Or maybe it's just how he got it set up.
You ain't been all the way around yet, bro. You ain't been over there in that corner for real yet. There's a lot of stuff back that way. But I'll take your word for it.
Yeah.
You was here.
I think maybe it's just how he got it set up, though. It's more organized. It's way more organized than it was last year. Shit was just everywhere.
Right.
But yeah, man.
I've been enjoying myself, man. I done walked around about 3 times.
It's the best car show I've been to.
Hey, definitely worth all the money. Everybody say it costs too much. It's worth the money, though. Look at all this content out here.
I'm getting paid to be here.
Yeah.
I'm getting this money back. So I ain't tripping.
So much cars out here though. I ain't never seen this much heat all in one area though. Like Orlando, the Florida Classics, it's plenty of heat down there.
That's my next stop.
But it's a lot more heat here. It's a lot more because all that heat on the move and you can't really get it. This right here is stationary, you know what I'm saying? So you can get it all right here.
This boy's so nasty. think these are all down by Stitch by Slick. You know what his name is? Can y'all see that tail? It's cold interior work. Maybe that's one of these cars is clean. F-body gang, F-body gang. This boy clean.
I'm the mayor of the city of Stonecrest. I'm here as an honorary mayor just to say hello to everyone, just to have a good time, let you know that we're one big family. We totally support each other. When we talk about black excellence, you're looking at each other. You're looking at black excellence all across this state, let alone this county, and certainly where I represent the city of Stonecrest. So we're just happy to be here and happy to just be an honorary judge. Y'all having a good time? So if you think you won, let me see you raise your hand. If you think you won, let me see you raise your hand. Maybe? Okay. Well, on behalf of the city of Stonecrest, I'd like to say congratulations. You've all done a fantastic job. Everything has looked so wonderful. You spent a lot of time, your craft. You can see it through all the work that you put in. So just wanted to say congratulations. You did a good job, and best of luck to everyone.
Congrats, man.
Thank you, sir. Hey, watch out, he's trying to get a film.
Again, congratulations. Thank y'all.
Yeah, put it up, put it up. What's up? We live at the motherfucking car show. Don't get no bigger than this. What's up? What's happening? What? Turn up.
If you enjoying yourself at Rick Ross Car Show, make some noise in this bitch.
Ain't this what they've been waiting for?
Hold up. Hold up.
You ready?
Yeah. I know the energy is hot. We sweating. But I'm gonna need y'all to turn the fuck up right here. Let's do this shit in Atlanta.
Ain't this what they
Ladies, make some noise. What you trying to do, Rose?
I want to show them love, but they got to show me love.
Headed back to my car now. Got a shuttle ride back from the promised land. So now it's time for the after party. But y'all gonna catch that footage. I doubt it. We're gonna see. Make sure you watch my, if you follow me on Instagram, you might see some cuts. Otherwise, I'm finna go and wrap this up. So make sure y'all like this video, share it, leave me a comment, all that YouTube stuff you already know. Rick Ross Car Show 2023, it's in the books. Y'all go ahead and watch these videos, man, so I can get paid, get reimbursed for this trip. You feel me? I'm out.